Did you know magnets can lift over 30,000 pounds and more? Today, we're exploring magnetism at 5 completely different levels. We'll start with the basics and work our way up to the mind-blowing science that even scientists find incredible. And by level 5, you'll see this topic in a way you never have before. Let's begin. Imagine you're in a playground and you have 2 toy magnets. One is a fridge magnet, and the other is a big, strong magnet from a toy truck. The small one can barely stick to the metal slide, but the big one can lift the whole toy truck. Magnets are like invisible hands that can push or pull things without touching them. Cool, right? And guess what? Some magnets are so strong they can lift cars and even hold buildings. But there's so much more to discover. Now, let's talk about how magnets work in a way that even scientists describe as magic. Magnets have invisible lines called magnetic fields. These fields are like the invisible force that makes your phone work and your speakers play music. The strength of a magnet is measured in units called Teslas. A fridge magnet is about 1/100th of a Tesla, but industrial magnets can be up to around 1.4 to 2 Teslas strong. And here's a fun fact. The strongest magnets on Earth can be used to levitate small objects, like frogs, through diamagnetic levitation. Now let's take this even deeper. In high school physics, you might learn about something called the Lorentz force. It's the force that makes electric motors work. The formula F equals Q, V times B, describes how a moving charge experiences a force in a magnetic field. This is the basis for everything from MRI machines to particle accelerators. In the 19th century, scientists like Faraday and Tesla discovered how to turn magnetism into electricity, the foundation of modern power generation. Today, over 90% of the world's electricity is generated using electromagnetic induction in power plants. But in the real world, this gets even more interesting. Magnets are everywhere in your daily life, from your phone to your car. They're what make your phone vibrate and your speakers play music. In hospitals, powerful magnets are used in MRI machines to create detailed images of your body, all without surgery. In industry, electromagnets are used to lift and move heavy objects, like entire cars, in scrap yards and factories. And in space, magnetism plays a key role in protecting Earth from solar storms by deflecting charged particles. And finally, the perspective that changes everything. Long before we understood electricity, ancient people used lodestones to navigate. These natural magnets pointed north, the first compasses in human history. Over centuries, scientists like Faraday and Tesla uncovered the deep connection between electricity and magnetism, a discovery that changed the world. Today, we're still discovering new things about magnetism, like how it shapes the universe in ways we're only beginning to understand. And here's the most amazing part. A neutron star's magnetic field is so strong it could erase a credit card from 100,000 miles away. What this teaches us is that learning is a lifelong journey. And sometimes, the most ordinary things can lead to the most extraordinary discoveries. From fridge magnets to neutron stars, magnetism is one of the most powerful forces in the universe, and it's all around us. Which level surprised you the most? Comment below and let us know.